Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to save a YouTube video to watch offline. So you may want to download YouTube videos so that you can watch them offline if you are perhaps traveling or will not be connected to the internet. So here's what you have to do. First, go to your app library, then open YouTube, then search for the video you want to download. For instance, I'm going to choose a moist critical video. Then we open up the video. Next, what we're going to do is next to the like and dislike button, if you can see and scroll, there is the download option. We select the download option and our video is downloading. Sometimes for some videos, it may require a YouTube Premium subscription and you need to get that prescription to download videos. Now that it has downloaded, to access your downloads, what you need to do is uh, go back and click on your profile on the bottom right corner. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see that there is the downloads option. You tap on the downloads, and here is the video that you download. You can watch it offline. Here I'm turning off my internet, and the video will still play even if your internet is not connected. So that's about it. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.